Our goal in solving this equation is to find the value of x, which makes two sides of the equation equal. First, let's rewrite the equation so that one side of the equation has only x. To do this, we must eliminate minus 4/5 in front of x. So, let's multiply both sides of the equation by minus 5/4. Here, it is important to treat both sides of the equation equally. So, when we multiply one side of the equation by a number, we must multiply the other side of the equation by the same number. After multiplying them by minus 5/4, the right side of the equation is simplified to x. Then, let's simplify the left side of the equation. 8/15 times minus 5/4 is minus 2/3. And let's switch the two sides of the equation. So, the answer is x equals minus 2/3.